One thing I absolutely love about travelling is going to local markets in different countries. The colours, the flavours, the smells are all new and amazing. They connect you with the people and with the local way of life.
Okay, Sandy, well, this is the Castries Saturday Market. So let's go have a look.
Let's go.
The Castries Saturday Market is the biggest and most colourful on the island. This is where everyone comes to buy and sell local fruits, seafood, spices and herbs. It's been going on for more than a century.
Oh, there you go. Here you have all the spices. The classic pepper
Sauce. How hot is hot sauce?
It's really hot, but it tastes good.
It does?
It has a really good flavour.
Pure honey?
Yes.
St. Lucian honey?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is local also.
This is local.
Yes.
Oh, that smells
Smells good.
good. Cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Very rich.
Oh, this is a laxative. It's a laxative.
It's laxative.
Yeah.
What's it called?
We call it cas. Well, it's very sweeter. When you break it, it's sweet.
Okay.
But afterwards, it sends you to the bathroom.
It will? Are you serious?
to the
But how do I,
You
I
just
mean-
break it.
You
You
break
break it,
it?
it's like a chocolate.
it's like chocolate.
Yes.
Suck on the seeds?
I don't think I want to taste it.
No, it won't do you anything. You have to suck about that amount.
Really?
I don't really want to be running to
No, just taste. You can just taste it. Just taste it here.
It smells
taste
kind
it.
of funny.
Yeah,
Taste it?
Yeah, it won't do
Are you
you
sure it
anything.
tastes like chocolate?
No, it's is it sweet? Is it sweet?
It is sweet.
Yeah. But if you take about this,
It actually
you
tastes
go to
good.
the bar.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sandy, let's go look for some of that exotic food I was telling you about.
Let's do it. And what else have we got?
We call it the golden apple.
Okay.
Nothing to do with the apple you find in the supermarkets, but the golden apple.
How do I eat that?
Yes, well, you can actually peel it or you can bite into it. Actually, what we do in St. Lucia, we just kind of go right on the ground, just to the ground. Wow.
Hello.
This is unbelievable. It's hard.
And this is very famous for juices. Make the golden apple juice out of this.
A bit sour at the moment, I think.
So, yeah, because it's not fully
It's
ripe.
not right.
Not only is the market full of local harvest, everyone comes here to shop. Yasmin ran into one of her childhood friends, Alison, who invited us to dinner.
Hey, Alison.
Oh, hi, Yasmin. I haven't seen you for such a long time.
Well, this is our friend Alison.
Hi,
Sandy.
Nice to meet you.
Bananas are long.
It's called plantain, a ripe plantain. It's sweet
Okay.
when it's ripe, and then we do lots of stuff with it. So, Yasmin, Sandy, I'll see you tonight.
Okay, great.
Right? Looking forward
to it.
Looking forward to seeing you. 7ish, around that time.
Okay, we'll be there.
See you. Bye.
Bye.